So a big part in helping me grow my exterior cleaning business over the last 8 years has been getting my exterior cleaning business ranking on Google, okay? And the way we've been able to do that, we've invested in search engine optimization, but a big thing we've done that's in your control right now is generating those absolutely precious Google reviews. If you go right now and look at my company, Revive Services, you'll see over 500 Google reviews on our profile. You could also look at our head coach at HSBC, Jackson, put in Mount Baker window cleaning. You're gonna see his company over 700 Google reviews. And so it's no secret that if you wanna get your company top ranking on Google, you wanna have those reviews coming in. This has been like this for the last number of years, but it's still extremely relevant today in 2025. And so I wanna make a training for you here and just share openly why reputation management is so critical for your business success. And this is not just like it works in exterior cleaning. I did this for a number of years with my painting business that I had all the way up until about 2019. We grew a lot having good Google reviews. Right now at Home Service Business Coach, we're growing with Google reviews as well. We've got over 130 of them of people Googling how to grow my painting business, how to grow my landscaping business. And our profile is popping up seeing all of this proof of clients and what they're saying about us. So today, 2025, moving into 2026, we're living in something called the trust economy, which is how authentic and how genuine are you and can I trust you, right? You're 2 minutes into this video, you may have never seen me or heard from me before, but there's probably something in your heart right now that's like, this guy's not making this stuff up. There's something about it that just seems legitimate, whether it's my body language, how I'm talking, whether maybe it's the background, oh my goodness, he's read all these books, whether it's he likes coffee, he's a normal dude, whatever it is, how I'm being right now in my spirit, it's resonating with you. And we hear this every single week in my coaching business, talking to our sales team. I'm signing with you guys because you're genuine, you're legit. We're not telling you you're gonna blow up your business and make, $1 million in your first year. You saw this thumbnail that's clickbaity and just like, there's so many scammy marketing agency, coaching agencies that I want ours to be like a fresh of breath air. Like if you've watched any of our content here on this channel, you're like, holy smokes, this is actually legitimately helpful, practical material, not just pie in the sky general theory. So we're in the trust economy. And so number one, you gotta get yourself onto video, this type of thing. I'm right now filming on a device. If you want practical takeaways, it's called the Osmo Pocket 3 is the video recorder I'm on right now. It's about 1,000 USD and it is well worth the investment because you gotta make content. My business coach is Dan Martell. You can see his book up over this way. Buy Back Your Time, great book. But Dan says today, you don't have a marketing department, you have a media department. And this ties right in to managing your reputation online. We all know people buy from who they know, like, and trust. I don't need to repeat that. It's been said many times before on this channel. Your marketing department is now a media department. So if you're not picking up a device like the Osmo or like your iPhone or whatever camera you wanna use, doesn't matter to me, you need to get yourself in front of a camera, I would say every single week, if not every single day. Because right now, I look for bottlenecks in businesses, right? Like constraints. And Alex Hormozi says there's always one constraint in business, right? It's either marketing, sales, or fulfillment. The overall constraint, biggest problem you face today, whatever your revenue size, is a word starting with O, obscurity, okay? People don't know who you are and people don't know what you do. So that's my first takeaway. You probably already had some takeaways, but the first key point, your marketing message, it's not about saying 1,000 different things one time to your market. Oh, we clean gutters, we clean windows, we're the highest rated, we're this, we're that. You wanna say the same message 1,000 times. You wanna say the same message 1,000 times to a specific group of people that you can be a hero to. So my exterior cleaning business, we're based just outside of Beachtown in an area called South Surrey in British Columbia in Canada, okay? It's an affluent area. There's a lot of dual income earners. There's a lot of business owners. It's a great place to live. And so we've crafted our marketing message around being the most communicative company and around being the highest and top rated cleaning company in the area. And so automatically nothing's about price. We want to disqualify clients that are just looking for the cheapest price. And we want to come out and provide service to them and make their life easier. You may have heard of a business before, Staples, right? Staples is like a copy center. They had this red button called the easy button, right? And I was talking to my service manager about this, saying, we want to make it as if our clients can face palm that button and say, that was easy. Working with Revive, that was easy. And so that's our marketing message, all around making our customers' life easier. And we want to be saying that in our social channels. We want to be saying that over the phone when we go and do an estimate. And even when we follow up, we want to get feedback from our customers. So marketing message is a huge takeaway here. You want to be constantly repeating who you are and what you do and how you can help your ideal client avatar. And take it from me, don't center your marketing message around we're the cheapest, because if you truly want to grow this business and achieve any sort of scale, so you're not doing it all as a business owner, you need to have margin, you need to have profit, and you're only able to do that by running the premium model in your business. So that's the first thing, marketing message, okay? Number two, I want to talk about Google reviews, okay? You can see our profile here if it's not come up yet. Like I said, we've seen good success. If we search keywords, pressure washing in Surrey, window cleaning in Surrey, there's a good chance that my profile Revive's going to be coming up and going to be ranking good in what's called the Google Map Pack, okay? So we're very specific about how we prime our clients to leave reviews, right? They get a pre-visit email 24 hours out before, which is like a 4-point checklist and says, do this, da, 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 da. Number 4 is we want you to be so happy with the service that you leave us a positive Google review to share your experience to the whole world. And we've got a really good script that we use that converts. And by the way, just in the effort of value, because I don't think people are doing this enough, put in the chat, in the comments on YouTube, just put the word in capital letters, write script, and I'll make sure that we share with you our PDF script. You can literally download it. Like, what do we say to prime our clients? What even do our technicians say when they're on the property, when they're finishing service? Because I think you want to do a good job getting Google reviews. Not like, you can work with Nice Job or there's a whole bunch of different softwares, Sotellus, even Jobber as review automation. All that's fantastic, and I'm all for that, right? It's great to do. But getting Google reviews effectively, you need to bridge that software element, automation, and you need to marry it with the human element, and that's when you're cooking with gas. So you need like scripting and a well-trained team. And the biggest thing you need is you need an owner that actually gives a crap and is informed, that says, if we take Google reviews seriously for the next 12 months, I'm hedging my bet that this could significantly transform my business. And I'll say this every week here on our channel. When you change your small business for the better, you can transform your life. And that's why I love coaching small business owners, because it's simple shifts like this that say, all right, Google reviews are serious. We need to take it serious, and don't just have it as like a side of desk project. This has been like a primary marketing channel for us for a number of years now, because in home services, I think the bar is just so low for entry. You're competing against guys and girls, a lot of dudes in home services that don't know how to run a business, and just they'll be lucky to have a Google business profile. And if they do, like reviews just come there sporadically. They're not like systematized. There's not a process. So have the automation and marry that up with the scripting. So again, I'll just gift that to you for free because I want you to win with your business. So just comment script and our team can send it over. Hey everyone, little break in the show for you. I want to tell you about our brand new HSBC Accelerator program. And our team is so excited about this because this is a specific program for the smaller businesses not quite ready for our scaling blueprint coaching program. So if right now you own a home service business and your revenue is between $0 and $20,000 per month, the accelerator program is going to be a great fit for you. And when you come in and join us, we're going to start you in our marketing mastery module. And that is literally an A to Z breakdown of how I generated over 11,000 leads with my very own exterior cleaning company, which has recently been acquired. And so that's where we're going to start. It's going to be all marketing for your business for the first month. And we're going to layer in coaching calls as well as community with these templated systems that you'll get your hands on. So I'll leave you with this. We are promoting this new program for our first founding members. We're giving a pretty sweet deal too. So you can go ahead and check out the link below. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the accelerator program. Thirdly, reputation management. We're in the trust economy. You're running a media department. I want you to get on camera. I want you to start making content. And I want you to be patient as you do this. For us, it took almost 3 years to get ranking on Google. We worked with a number of different SEO companies, and word from the wise here too, like not all SEO companies are created equally. We've got a couple that we work with that we actually have inside HSBC as referral partners that our members actually get hooked up with great service and great pricing. So that I'm not going to be sharing on this channel just for respect for our service providers. But if you do come in and work with us, we'll be able to make a suggestion of, hey, this company and this company do really good work. And so when you can get your business going with SEO, you're going to start to get some traction because you want to be searchable on Google, right? Especially in home services. Like Facebook ads are great, don't get me wrong, but generally there's not urgency with Facebook ads, right? Customers are generally just perusing at night before they go to bed and they see a new kitchen or they see a painted house. They're like, wouldn't that be nice? Maybe we'll reach out and get a quote one day. But with Google, there's urgency, right? Like, man, the rain, we get a lot of rain here on the West Coast in Canada. The rain keeps, like, because the gutters are overflowing, dripping by my master bedroom window. It's annoying. And I'm just gonna go to Google and put gutter cleaning in fill in the blank service location, gutter location in Surrey, British Columbia in Canada here for me, right? And I'm gonna call the first 2 companies and whoever gets back to me first, and if it's reasonable, like we're just gonna book it, right? And where society's going with AI, it's gonna turn into more voice, I really think. And no one knows the future, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and make a prediction here that you won't Google type search something, you'll just search and say, get me a quote for gutter cleaning, for my home. And Google will already know where you live and like, boom, Dave, here's your quotes. Which one do you wanna do? Book it Thursday at 10 a.m. Tech will text me on the way. Done. Like that quick. You're not gonna be going playing ping pong and email back and forth. So that's just where I think we're gonna be going. So you wanna position yourself with your reputation online of having an absolutely golden reputation online. You wanna get in front of camera like this. You wanna be your authentic, true self, and don't try and be perfect, right? This is something that I think we do a really good job at our business. We're just real people. We make mistakes, things happen, but it's what we do when those mistakes happen. And literally on our profile today, if you do the research and rank our profile by lowest reviews, I wanna say we have 4 or 5 reviews on there that are like 1 stars. And I in detail know all those situations because they were very stressful at the time. And I had to mentally work through like, okay, our business isn't perfect. Even today, we're at a 4.9, right? I think Coach Jackson's at a 5, which is amazing, right? We got to work hard to catch up to him. But for me, I'm wearing that 4.9 as like, look, business and life aren't perfect. We have humans in our business and we've legitimately screwed up before. And some clients, after doing 5,400 jobs, some clients aren't happy. And that is what it is, that we're not perfect. So I'm just owning that. And that just shows with trust again, right? Like, cool, this guy's not blowing smoke, like he's legitimate. We see all the 508, good 5 stars, and then we see 4 or 5 1 stars. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna book them anyways type of thing. So the other point I wanna get before we finish up is that around social proof, okay? And I don't need to give you stats, but the main one is like 84% of consumers trust an online review as much as they trust a personal recommendation from a friend or family. You may have heard that, that's why I'm kind of rattling it on, right? Because at the end of the day, if I'm looking to solve a problem, whether that's my gutters cleaned, or I'm looking for a business coach to scale my business, or I'm looking to take my wife out for a really nice Italian dinner, I wanna read social proof. I want testimonials, okay? human psychology, like this is marketing gold for you. Don't necessarily talk about the gain that someone will get. You will be able to gain, more money. You want to talk about what they're actually going to lose, and you want to talk about the pain, right? So do you want to give up your time to be on a ladder cleaning your gutters on the weekend? There's pain with that, right? No, we don't want to do that. Or scarcity, right? We've got 5 spots in our calendar open for next week, and we say you're posting on your Facebook page. Who needs gutter cleaning next week, right? We're in this neighborhood, only 5 spots. Like, I don't want to miss out on that. There's going to be some pain involved. So you want to have your social proof literally on Google as a hub, have those reviews coming in, screenshot those, put them up on social media, on your Instagram stories, create reels out of those, get them on your personal Facebook page, put them on your website, put them on your print material. And literally, if you want to go all out, this is from Hormozy, our good friend Alex Hormozy. Take those screenshots, put them all on a background, put it behind you, and start making content. Hey, I'm Dave. I started Revive. You can see the background behind me. There's 513 pieces of social proof of happy homeowners. We've been able to clean the exterior of their home. If you want to join our list, then DM me the word, 5 stars if you want 5-star experience, whatever it is, right? You got to start thinking like a marketer. And I think this 20-minute training for you is just going to unlock a few things for you mentally that, take it from me, we've done almost $4 million now in exterior cleaning. And I've only spent about $250K. I only say only because it's like 6% of our overall spend, because we've done this so hard, right? We built a local brand and we've been able to show our authentic true self, and we've captured Google reviews from day one, and we've shouted from the rooftops who we are, who we help, and who we can be, and what problem we solve effectively, like how we can be a hero to a very specific group of people. And it didn't, for us, mean going into like 12 different cities and like going crazy. Like, we're very concentrated in a nice box. We can have our crews go home to home to home, and we're only able to do that because we built a strong reputation for our business, that we're not claiming to be perfect, but we're literally a customer service driven business that happens to pressure wash or happens to clean windows. And so I hope from, the media recommendations to crafting a marketing message to how you get Google reviews to why social proof's important and how you use it, all in an effort to scale your business. Because again, you're on this channel, change your small business, you can change your life. That's my mission in life right now professionally. And that's why I started Home Service Business Coach. We're on a big mission to help 10,000 home service business owners all across the world change their business. So if you found value in this, literally leave me a comment below. Our last few videos have been getting really good traction. So do me a solid, leave me a comment. If you want the script, put script. And to the 2% of action takers on here, if you like what you see, put in your browser, homeservicebusinesscoach.com. Maybe we'll link it up here. You can read member success. There's over 350 now pieces of social proof and growing of members happy with our coaching program. So we're gonna keep leading from the front on this and building a better reputation that's growing. We help home service business owners that wanna scale. That's who we exist to be a hero to. So if you wanna learn more, check that out. Otherwise, keep lingering on this channel, because I literally believe this channel can make you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars with our free content. So thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment. Wish you the best this next year as you grow your business.